What's up, lawn dogs? Floyd with Ulnar Lawn Care, UlnarLawnCare.com, and Morgan. Hi, Morgan.
Hi.
You got anything you want to tell them today? What are we doing?
Working later.
Hot.
It's gonna be hot.
All right. We'll be right back. Our yards are drying up. Definitely are not bagging anything or double cutting anymore. We're lucky to even be cutting some of these yards. We're heading to the graveyard right now. That should be good to go because that had that has irrigation. But if people aren't watering, if they're relying on Mother Nature, we might be skipping some yards this week. I don't know. We'll see. I know my big property, their yard seems to be struggling right now to keep up. I don't know if they're...
Especially the front yard.
Not using it yet.
It's very dry.
Yeah, very dry. I don't know if they're not using their sprinklers or what. I gotta get a hold of them. But I'm at the shop. I'm gonna show you what we've been dealing with since the last 2 days in what? 3 days in... 3 days in June, and since we hit July. So I'm gonna turn this around and show you what's going on. We'll be right back. So this is what our yards are looking like. You just see just dry and not growing. Grass isn't growing. The only thing we got growing are these stupid weeds. So this has been our battle. I think over the last 2 weeks we're skipping about 13-15 yards a week right now, but it's just ridiculous. Even the ones that are irrigated. Now this yard is not irrigated. This is a shop. It's not irrigated, but even the yards that are irrigated are not growing. We're fighting it. The heat and the humidity, 90 plus constant. So it's been an uphill battle these last 3 weeks, 2 weeks, whatever. Anyway, but it's just, what do you do? So what we're doing to supplement some of the income, we do trimming and hedging in July. We do it in July and then late in the fall, well, early mid-fall. So right now the crew's out working. I'm going to quote a pasture, which I'll show you that here in a minute, if she lets me film it. If you see it, she let me film it. If you didn't see it, well, she didn't let me film it. But so we're gonna quote a pasture. It's dry. She want it mowed down. It's about 4 acres. Now I gotta look at it because I'm scared when I hear the word pasture. I'm like, I told her, so I don't have a tractor. I got mowers. So, but I told her to take a look at it. She says mower should work, but we'll see. We'll see. Anyway, to supplement the income, we're going to do our hedging, do our trimming, hit the bushes, knock some tree branches down, some small ones. We don't do anything over 10 feet tall. When it comes to trimming and stuff, we got a pole saw. Well, let me show you. Let me take you to the shop, show you what we got for our hedging and stuff. So, this is what we got. We got the 2 hedgers, pole hedgers there, a couple of hedgers right there. The boys aren't doing it today, but I think that's what we're going to do Thursday. The crew, I should say, because Morgan is with them. But, so that's what we're doing to supplement our income during these dry months, is getting our hedging and trimming and doing some odd jobs. Now I do got a garden bed to quote too. We'll go look at that, and could be some other work we do. But yeah, right now we're skipping a lot of yards. Sucks. What do you guys do? Comment, let me know. What do you do when you got these dry spells and you have to skip some yards? Do you do anything to just ride it out? I'm not freaking out about the money thing, but you know, it's definitely not helping. So, but anyway, I'll be back with you shortly. Oh, it's freaking hot. I haven't seen our snake friend here in a while. Is he really your friend though? He is a friend?
Love that.
Does it do that a lot?
Yeah.
Spill it.
Don't drink the steering wheel.
Don't drink the steering wheel. I'm not drinking the steering wheel. Why don't you just drink it out of the water bottle?
Because this keeps it cold.
Oh, drink it faster. Sounds like somebody peeing.
No, it looks like I peed my pants.
Morgan's got a peeing problem, guys. folks. Hope you enjoyed that. It's hot. I'm giving no Betty a bath, so it's gonna get loud. But yeah, it's hot. What do you guys do? I don't know. Hey, if you like my videos, subscribe and give a thumbs up. All right. Always give maximum effort. Be kind to everyone. And thank you for watching.